is it's an entirely different discipline than machine learning engineering. It's connecting to an API that obfuscates a machine learning model and just talking to the API. That's what you do. I'm Tejas Kumar. I'm a developer relations engineer for GenAI at DataStax. I think to answer this question, we have to understand what AI engineering even is, right? And it's not, a lot of people, especially junior developers and people like the mass public, think that AI engineering has a lot to do with machine learning, linear algebra, academia, Python, and none of that is needed for AI engineering. And this is very important. So how would I explain to a junior engineer is how I would explain it to everybody is it's an entirely different discipline than machine learning engineering. It's connecting to an API that obfuscates a machine learning model and just talking to the API. That's what you do. And you can do that in any programming language. You can do that with JavaScript, with Python, with Perl, with C, with Rust. It doesn't matter. And it's just talking to an API behind which is some machine learning thing. You don't need to know that. Getting a response and then solving a problem. Exactly the same way. Because the interesting thing is, among junior developers or senior developers or anyone, they just don't know the working definition for AI engineering. This is so interesting because coming to this conference, I asked juniors and seniors, staff, principal, what is an AI engineer? And there was only, I'd say like 1 to 3% of people who actually knew what it was. Absolutely crazy. A lot of people thought it was, I'm a data scientist, I'm a machine learning engineer. And so I would explain it the same way to everybody. I think CTOs solve a broader set of problems. With CTOs, I would add some detail to that, which is AI engineers are also responsible for solving like data privacy, security, and ethical concerns, because the CTO is probably going to want to care of that, right? So an AI engineer would probably also want to think about which API are we talking to? Does it need to be existing over the internet, etc.? So I would add some I would add some detail for ethics, privacy, and security. But besides that, I think first we have to start off what is an AI engineer, and then we can talk about the more detail. I'm on the internet as tej.as, that's my name. So it's my name with a dot, tej.as. I'm also on X, formerly known as Twitter, Tejas Kumar _. I'm on LinkedIn with my name as well. And I also have a podcast. But all of this is at tej.as. It's the website.
Hi there. Thank you for staying with us until the end. If you want to learn more about Engineer Explains, click on one of these.